So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame. As we can see, very much looking like we are bottoming out in my opinion. Altcoins really are looking like they have no desire to continue pushing to the downside, despite the fact that Bitcoin is obviously trying to push the whole market down yet again. I really don't think altcoins have got that much left to give in them, if I'm being completely honest. Bitcoin is actually coming down and breaking down from a local area of support again, but you can see Polygon here holding quite strong. The last 3 or 4 days of price action, we've basically just been going sideways at these lows, and a lot of altcoins are looking like this, as people basically with no desire to actually sell the bottom like we usually did. We obviously saw a lot of people selling the bottom continuously throughout this bearish trend here. But with the recent flip of this resistance for Polygon specifically, you can see this resistance here on the way down. We did get that nice move to the upside, showing the relief that you can get for Polygon once we do start to see a sentiment shift in the market. Obviously, we had that Burj Khalifa price action where we reversed the whole move and then continued down and actually closed below that previous support here. But overall, you can see, as I've been saying across the market, all of our altcoins looking extremely, with basically these huge bullish divergences, looking extremely overextended to the downside. And as I said, we are looking at this potential curving bottoming pattern for a lot of cryptos, where basically we are just looking at consolidating at the lows and getting a breakout finally of that structure, which we have seen here. We obviously came up and closed a higher low, proving a higher high, proving that if we come down here, make a W bottom or a equal low like this, and then get a reversal, is very much on the cards in my opinion. As you can see, we are really way too overextended to the downside right now, with absolutely no relief really at all. And I could expect that with this big bounce that we did see here, if Bitcoin plays ball and heads back to the upside next week, we'll probably be looking at coming back up into this 55-60 cent area in my opinion over the next few weeks. Let's see what we can do. Like and subscribe for more.